day, McVeigh, and happy Friday. Good morning, boys and girls. So, to finish out our Earth Week celebration, we're going to go to two projects. One is by Miles, the other by Olivia, both on Earth Week with excellent illustrations. So, we'll start with Miles. The do's and don'ts. Do not litter, throw plastic in the trash, waste paper, and hurt nature. And then what you should do is throw things in the recycle bin, be kind to the earth, and keep the environment clean. 100%. And if we do, our earth looks like this, and if we don't, it looks like that. And then Olivia says, again, all the things that you should be doing. Turn off the sink when the water is running. Only wash your clothes in a full wash, things like that, so that our earth can stay beautiful. Now, to that end, on Earth, we do have some beautiful creatures, like, for example, emperor penguins that live in the very cold regions of the Earth in the Arctic. These are king penguins. And these penguins are known to be about 3 feet tall. They have orange feathers on their chests and ears. And their wings are really flippers, so they don't actually fly, but they are good swimmers. They are birds that swim. So this is by Jonah and Enzo. Thank you to Jonah and Enzo. And then another wonderful creature by Leilani and Juliana is the golden retriever, a dog. So golden retrievers are a very popular breed of dog. They're about 55 to 75 pounds. They are very smart and train well, but they do need to be need to be brushed a lot because they have very long hair. And they are a very gentle breed, and they kind of look like that. Agreed. All right. Now, first grade is learning about central ideas. So first they learned what central means. Then they worked on ideas. So here we go. So we have some ideas. All right. So one idea is an ice cream machine. And it starts out on paper. So here's the ice cream machine. Of how we're going to make ice cream cones. And that's what an idea is. We come up with a thought. We look around in our world and we see something. We say, how can we make it better? Oh, I have an idea. Here's how it works. And that's what authors do with our stories. They have an idea, and you can see that idea throughout the story. That's what makes it central. And another idea that we have is a car with jets. So this is absolutely possible. I mean, that could happen. We have electric cars now. Why not cars with jets? All right, and then finally, we have some Getting Smart Through Math by Aaliyah in 224, who's working on multiplication and, single and double-digit multiplication, as well as triple-digit multiplication. And it's all over this. So what do we do when we want to get to know something better? Write it down. Keep practicing. Thumbs up. Well done, Aaliyah. Now, moving on to our mystery number Wordle. So, my Wordle was germinate. So, these two letters are consecutive in the alphabet, M-N. And then the other two letters, germinate. So, what does germinate mean? Well, when the spring comes, all of the seedlings that are in the ground and all of the plants that we would expect to see in the spring and summer germinate. So they come out of their dormant, which is when they're sleeping during the winter, their dormant stage. That means they're sleeping. And they start to reabsorb water and to get active a little bit. And then we see the sprout. We see them start to emerge from the ground. The germination is what's going on in the ground before we sprout, right? And that's kind of what McVey is. We're germinating, and then we sprout, and we become wonderful things when we leave here at Woodland and East Meadow High School and beyond. Yes, and this is an important word for our Earth and McVey. And our mystery number, which, by the way, we had Liam, let's see, Julian, the Galleries, let's see, all Galleries, the Jalfins, and the Espositos, and all of room 224 figure out the mystery, the Wordle, and the mystery number was 1610. 1610. So that's the largest number we could have made with those two even digits that we were left with. So this word has been around for a very long time. We're talking about 415 years. It's a long time because it's important, right? Because we want all of the wonderful things in the earth to germinate so that they can sprout and grow, add oxygen to our environment. And we, of course, want to germinate so we can sprout and grow. All right. And our Mighty Kind moment of the day, let's go. Dun, dun, dun. From Frankie, be kind. Being kind is how you feed happiness. For example, if you do something kind, you will feel good. You'll feel very good inside. So be happy, be kind. It's a nice little book he wrote. Spread kindness. Treat yourself with kindness. Yes, when you spread kindness, you make yourself and others happy. Well said, Frankie. And everybody can. Why? Because you're a mighty mind. Not only that, a mighty kind, mighty minds. And every day, boys and girls, is a great day to get smart and be kind to both each other and the earth. Let's have a wonderful day.